Since 2008, demand for agricultural land in developing countries has increased sharply, and such land has become a more attractive asset class. Investment in agriculture is one of the keys to reducing food insecurity and poverty. It has the potential to benefit local communities by giving small farmers greater access to capital, technology, knowledge, and markets. It can also deliver macroeconomic benefits, such as an increased economic growth and agricultural production. However, all too often, agricultural investment projects have harmed local people by causing them to lose rights and access to their land and other natural resources. In such cases, investors have experienced significant legal, financial, operational, and reputational harm. In many developing countries, land-based investments can be very risky, in part because of weak governance of land rights. In these settings, land is often governed by customary rights, which, while socially recognized and applied, may not be written or formally recognized by the law. A framework that can help investors cope with these risks is set forth in the Voluntary Guidelines on the Responsible Governance of Tenure of Land, Fisheries and Forests in the context of national food security, the VGGT. They were created to help all nations improve their governance of tenure and were unanimously endorsed by the UN Committee on World Food Security in May 2012. The VGGT also contain important guidance for the private sector with the ultimate objective of achieving socially responsible and financially sustainable investments that respect legitimate tenure rights, human rights, and the environment. Managing risk of a land-based investment, according to the VGGT, requires you, as a responsible investor, to consider project models that do not involve the transfer of land rights from local people, conduct robust due diligence to assess the potential impact of your investment, engage in ongoing consultations with local stakeholders through an inclusive and participatory process, and create effective monitoring and grievance mechanisms. By following these practices, you can reduce your investment risk. This will also increase the likelihood of positive financial returns and benefits to you and to the affected local community.